In this video, I will show you how you can add a story to your highlights without actually posting a story that everybody can see. And this is actually very simple. What you need to do first is we need to post a new story. We click on this plus icon on our profile right here, where we can select images or videos to put into the story. I will choose this image right here. And what we need to do now is we need to click on close friends. And what we need to do is we need to add in a person that will not see our story. For example, you can put in a famous person in right here or whatever. So just to make sure that anybody will not see the story. I'm just gonna click on this person right here, click on share. And now, as you can see, there's this green circle around our story, which means only close friends will see it. In this case, only the celebrity will see or will be able to see the story, but most likely they wouldn't see it. What we need to do next is we click on the story, click on highlight right here, and either add it into our existing highlights or make a new highlight. I'm gonna put it in this highlight, which is called travel. And what we need to do now is actually very simple. We click on our story again. So either in the highlight or on the story tab, we click on our story, then click on this little green star, which means close friends. And now we have to edit all of our friends or followers in here, but after 24 hours. So when the story is not anymore in the story, but only in the highlights, then we can add all our people in that we want them to see our story, because then the story wouldn't be visible anymore in the story part, but only in the highlight part, which means they will not see the story, but they will be able to see the story in the highlights. I hope this video was useful to you. If it was useful, please consider subscribing. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.